Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 16, Example 8. In this example, we want to solve the problem, the sum of four consecutive integers is 406. Find the integers. In step 1, we want to make sure that we understand the problem. Make sure that you read the question carefully several times. In this step, we also want to assign our variable. We're looking for four consecutive integers. Let's go ahead and let x equal the first consecutive integer. Since consecutive integers are integers that follow one another in order, for example 5, 6, 7, and 8, or 20, 21, 22, and 23, the next one up can be found by adding 1 to the previous consecutive integer. So we can represent the second consecutive integer as x plus 1. Along those same lines, the third consecutive integer would be x plus 2, and the fourth consecutive integer would be x plus 3. In step 2, we want to devise a plan. This step involves translating the problem into a mathematical equation. Since we are looking at a sum of these four consecutive integers, we will be adding them together to equal 406. This gives us the equation, the first consecutive integer of x, plus the second consecutive integer, which is x plus 1, plus the third consecutive integer, which is x, plus 2, plus the fourth consecutive integer, which is x plus 3, gives us our equal sign, and on the right side we'll have 406. In step 3, we want to carry out the plan. This means we want to solve the equation that we came up with in step 2. We can simplify this by combining the like terms on the left side and getting 4x plus 6 equals 406. Next, we can do the inverse of add and subtract 6 from both sides. This gives us 4x plus 6 minus 6 equals 406 minus 6. This will lead us to 4x on the left side equals 400 on the right side. Finally, we can do the inverse operation of multiply by dividing both sides by 4 and get 4x over 4 equals 400 over 4. This will lead us to x equals 100. In step 4, we want to look back and check and interpret the answer. X equals 100 just gives us the first consecutive integer. We will still need to find the other three consecutive integers. Since the second consecutive integer is x plus 1, we get 100 plus 1 equals 101 for that one. Since the third consecutive integer is x plus 2, we get 100 plus 2 equals 102 for that one. And since the fourth consecutive integer is x plus 3, we get 100 plus 3, or 103 for that one. If we add 100, 101, 102, and 103, we do get 406. So the final answer is the four consecutive integers are 100, 101, 102, and 103.